Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're gonna continue working on part 14 of this house build. Let's get started. So in the last video, we were able to add the railings for the second floor, and then we added the door. Now we're gonna continue working on this. What I want to do is to actually add a third floor, so that we could design it much better. So I'm gonna put the top offset to 0 again, and then here I want it to be on level 3 for the this one should be on level 4. So we're gonna create another level for south elevation, and we could just CS, create similar, and then 3000 from the top. There we go. So we have level 4 there. It created this one as well. You can also CO, but once you CO, it's not automatic here. So copy. In order for this one to appear, you need to go to view, plan view, floor plan. So that's the only difference with just copying or adding the level. So LL is for the level. So now once we have this one added, you can change it to roof, or you could just leave it as level 4 if you want. So either way that's fine. I'm just lining up everything. For level 3, what we're gonna do is we're going to change this roof to level 4 now. So that's the roof area. And then for level 3, we can we need to double check here first that everything is pulled up properly so that the grid line is showing. For level 3, we need to do an underlay. So go under your property manager, and then here let's go and check level 2. So here's the layout for level 2 that we're gonna recreate. We're gonna choose this wall, so exterior wall, CS, and we're going to have this one added, the same thing as right here. And then here as well. So I know this one should be interior, but what I want to do, so this one is all the way there. I'm going to change this because this is all the way at the top, not room bounding, but this should be up to level 3 only. And it shouldn't be attached, so detached top base. So we're gonna do that on the base top constraint to 3. There we go. Detach, and then hold on roof, because we attach it there so that it doesn't appear. That's why all of this are showing. So this one is the one that we created. This one is detach So this one is the one that we just recently created. So now if we go back to level 3, we're going to replicate this one. So for now, we're gonna copy the way this one looks. Don't worry about the wall first. We need to replicate this. So here, it's only up to here. So I'm going to TR, trim and extend, all the way here. I'm gonna go on the other side. I'm gonna replicate the way this one looks, because I want the look of the exterior to be zigzag. So this will be the same one as here, but just the mirrored image. So this one is with a balcony, this one with the L-shaped balcony. So that's the difference between those. And then this should be all the way right here. So similar, we need to create this shared bathroom. So now we could just move this one right here, and then we could add the door as well to the same locations. So something like that. It's better if we line it up. There we go. We could get the same bed, but we need to push this one all the way right here, and then actually for this one we could still do the same, but we have some space here now. And then here we need to know the gap. So good enough. I'm just going to align this. So everything is aligned properly. So this one looks good. We have an opening here that it could go around. We need some space here, so we could just trim this one and then trim this one, so we have space. We can add in the bed. Something like that. And then the nightstand. on each side. So something like this. Here we could just move a little, move it up so that we have enough space. I think that's good enough. Maximize those space there, and then here. And then put the same door, the same fixtures. I want it to be mirrored. There we go. And then this one should be replicated as well. And then for the openings, we're gonna create those openings as well. So far we finished what we done here, similar to what we have. We just need to have floor, and then here we have a roof that we're gonna create based on this one as well. And then this one is another roof that we need to cover. We could just put this one to level 3, and then after that we could just, so we're going to go right here, and then we could just edit footprint. We could move this one all the way right here. This one deleted, trim and extend. And then finish, and then see how it looks. So everything is covered. We just need to pull it up. So for this, we need to pull it up, and then we're going to cut this or trim this. So we could have split this one, and then once we split that, and then we could split here as well. Actually, for this one, we don't need this wall anymore. And then we could just split this one SL, and then we could select those walls, and then after that we put a top offset of 600. So there we go. So we have that parapet there. If it's too much, you can put it at 400. Okay, so that 400 is good enough as well. And then here, we just need to, I don't want any access from here going to the second floor roof. So we want to limit that, so we still have to create this one. So after that, we need another floor, so we could create that floor, and then we copy this one as well. So if we go to, so copy and then paste it, paste to current view. If we check it, we have something that looks like this, but this one should be second floor to third floor. So we could just delete this, copy, and then go to third floor or second floor and then paste current view. So now we have properly added. So we have going up, down, and then here connected going up to the third floor, and we just need to have the same flooring. Here, this floor, we could duplicate first. So this floor, oak red, we could put in gypsum wallboard floor first, and then we could duplicate that. And then we use level 5 again for this. Or floor number 5 to create our flooring. So architecture, floor, and then let's go to floor number 5. Pick path if you want. And then trim and extend. And then go to 3D to check how it looks. So it looks good here and then here, and that looks good right there. And then of course we have a lot of cleaning to do, especially when this one is hitting. So we might push it back or do our own clean up later. So depending on what we do, if we need to detach it or attach it on top, we're gonna do that. Before we finish, I want to add a roof into our level 4, but we're gonna copy the floor pan on this level first. Okay, so trim and extend. Go to 3D to see it much better. So as you can see, we need to edit a little bit more. So we could do is trim and extend. And then we could put it back right here. Okay, so now we could just select all the walls pertaining to this, and we want to pull it up, offset it to 400, similar to what we did earlier. And then here we just need to detach this. So it doesn't show. So we have this parapet and we have this one as well. I'm planning on going right here, and instead of this one, the connection, I'm gonna change the wall joint here. So it's cleaner. So now we have this one all the way to the edge, and we could fix this one as well. So what we need to do is go to level 2. I believe this one is this should be on level 1, the wall joint here. So let's try and fix this. So I want the next one and see how it looks. So now it's a much cleaner look because we changed that wall joint. So we're gonna stop here for now, continue on the next video. Thank you for watching and hope you liked the video. Please hit like and subscribe. Feel free to comment down below.